Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a system restore error, that there was an unexpected error, the file name, directory name, or volume label syntax is incorrect, followed by error code 0x8007007b. Please close system restore and try again. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in system restore. Underneath best match, select create a restore point. Well, first off, make sure that system restore is turned on here. So select the configure button, turn on system restore if it is not currently on. That's the first thing you want to do. The second thing, you want to make sure your drive letter is correct in here. So there might be duplicates for some reason, or there might be drive letters that no longer exist. You want to go ahead and make sure that is correct in here. And you just want to make sure that you're selecting the correct drive letter, like I said. So click on the configure button. So we're going to have to go create a restore point here because I haven't created one, because you can see I just turned it on, because that was the first thing I'd recommend checking. Make sure it actually is turned on and it wasn't accidentally turned off, perhaps by the organization or some sort of error message. So if we go back and click on system restore here and select next, want to make sure if you click on whatever your store point is and then select next, make sure it's the correct drive letter in here. So if it's not, you'll know that you're scanning or backing up the wrong drive. And you can select scan for affected programs as well in here. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.